visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So let's check kung ano po yung mga nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find. Tingnan natin ha kung ano na yung mga nangyayari with the Queen of Swords and the Star. So parang feeling natin, kailangan nating magpakitang gilas kay person. Parang more of, or probably itong si person, no? Para makuha niya yung attention, affection. Parang there's something here na gusto niyang makuha uli or makuha. Again, it can be your trust. Kasi parang ngayon nagpapakitang gilas, no? May mga bagay na ginagawa na extra. May mga bagay na ginagawa na hindi naman usual na ginagawa. This is to make the other person happy. Now, the Fool card is also here. Wow, baka meron din kasi sa inyo nagpa-plan na, no, na to build a family. Meron ditong mga, parang yung excitement, no? Ito na yata yung sinasabi ni Miss Jody Santa Maria na nandito na tayo sa exciting part. It can be building a family. It can be going to magsarili, no, ng bahay or lumipat ng bahay, or putting this connection into another level of commitment. So with the Four of Wands, I just mentioned about the house. So it can be kaayusan ng bahay. It can be mag-migrate, I'm also seeing in here, or magkaroon ng strong foundation itong inyong relationship. Nakita kasi natin na in the past siguro medyo mapaglaro si person, no? Parang feeling mo naglalaro lang si person dito sa relationship ninyo. Parang wala siyang kumbaga wala siyang amor. Kumbaga, parang feeling mo sumasakay lang sa relationship ninyo. Pero ngayon meron siyang mga either pagbawi, no? Let's see kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges kasi with the with the Chariot. Ito yung sinasabi natin na surpassing all the challenges. Siguro nga nagkaroon kayo ng mga challenges in the past. Pero kasi itong the Chariot also gives us the energy of transformation, the energy of going to another chapter, another place. Siguro nagkaroon talaga din ng pause itong relationship. For some reason, hindi naman binigay kung bakit, or probably because of the immaturity ni person with the Fool card. So ngayon ba ipapakita ni person na I am willing to I am now ready to handle the relationship, unlike before. So magkakaroon ka ng comparison probably with the Nine of Cups. This is something that you asked for, wished for, prayed for. Pwedeng ito yung pagkakaroon ng reconciliation. Pwede rin ito kasi yung the Nine of Cups, sabihin natin na yung kay person na bigyan ng pansin itong relationship, pahalagahan. I feel like nandito din yun. tanggalin ang mga blockages, which are the third-party situation probably. So, the Nine of Cups is clarified with the Queen of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. Yan, nagkaroon kayo dito ng separation. Whether this is physical or energetic separation, no? When I mentioned energetic separation, ito yung mga, sabihin natin, nagdamot si person ng kanilang time, energy, effort. Ngayon, parang binabalik na ni person yung kanyang gana, no? Dito sa relationship ninyo. With the Five of Pentacles, siguro iniwan din kayo dito ni person, no? Either sumama sa iba or talagang nawalan lang ng gana dito sa relationship. The Nine of Swords, so you're a bit worried kung ito bang pagbabago ni person ay dire-diretso, kung ito ba ay gagawin niya ng consistent or pinapasakay ka lang, no? Kasi hindi natin, kumbaga, this is a brand new experience kasi kay person may gusto lang ba itong kunin, no? Sa akin, it can be a thing, it can be, free sex, ganyan, or it can also be talagang makuha niya uli yung trust ko, no? The Empress and the Eight of Wands. So, nakikita natin kasi dito, I think that something changed in you physically. Baka right now, you're detoxifying, whether this is sa katawan or spiritual man yan. The Eight of Wands, medyo yung communication nga dito is more of having, giving you some good news with the Hierophant. Apologies are gonna be given by your person or hihingi ito ng tawad from all those shortcomings, no? The Page of Wands, I don't know kung ano yung nangyayari dito, pero parang si person meron yata nakita online about the Hermit and the Four of Swords. Or napansin, no? This is more of hindi nakita online. It's more of nakita niya na parang sige, tinamad siya kasi, di tinamad ka rin. Parang na-miss yata nito yung mga kung paano mo siya alagaan, ano. So, parang sabi niya, para maibalik yun, kailangan ko mag-effort, diba? Para maibalik yung dati, kailangan kong ipakita na meron ding bago, no, sa akin. So, with the Magician in here, it's almost as if, like, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, a wish fulfillment, parang wish granted, yung matagal mo nga pinagdasal, parang eto na yung ibibigay sa'yo, no? So, be thankful dahil sa, with all the sacrifices that we offered, no, to this relationship, at least meron tayong pinatunguhan. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Taurus. I'm seeing Libra, Aries, Aquarius, Gemini. I'm seeing Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer. I'm seeing Virgo, Leo, Taurus. Yep. So this is your reading. Kung meron po kayong mga questions sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat, no? Name, number, QR code, amount per question. So, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the